Good day, sir. Good day, everyone. I am 9Chatilene and today I'm going to discuss the number 9 in problem set A. So, the problem is Susan has 10 packets and $44 bills. She wants to arrange the money so that there are different number of dollars in each packet. Can she do it? Explain. Applying the Polya's fourth step first is to understand the problem. Given that Susan has 10 packets, she has $44 bills, and she wants to fill her 10 packets with different amounts of her $44 bills. Second step is to devise the plan. The solution of this problem is easier if we make a set of pictures of all possible arrangements of 10 packets with different amount of dollars. We're going to apply the draw a picture strategy. So first, Susan has 10 packets. Let's assume that these are her 10 packets. She has $44 bills. Let's see, these are her $44 bills. On the third step, on Polly's first step is to carry out the plan. Arrange the dollars so that the packets will have different amount. Let's store the minimum amount of dollars in the packets while satisfying the condition. Place $1 in the first packet. The second packet must have $2. It cannot be $1. It must be a different number of dollars. The third packet must have $3, of course. Fourth packet, $4. Repeating this process, the ninth packet must have $9. At this moment, we have arranged 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 is equal to $45 already. But Susan only have $44. And thus the 10th packet is empty. Or we should say 10th packet is zero amount of dollar and we should include in the solution. So as you can see, kung mapapansin ninyo, 'di ba, merong siyang pattern. On the first packet, may $1. Second packet, $2. So ano siya, 'di ba, consecutive numbers, consecutive natural numbers. So I will show you the formula na gagamitin mo to solve the sum of the consecutive numbers. Kasi what if naisipan ni Susan na 50 packets pala, sa 50 packets tapos meron siyang ganitong amount ng dollar. Naisip niya, mapagkakasya ko kaya itong $100 ko sa 20 packets na to. For example, ganon. So, I will give you formula na pwede natin gamitin to solve the sum of the consecutive natural numbers para hindi na tayo mahirapan na magbilang ng 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, ganon, and so on and so forth. So, the formula for the sum of the consecutive natural numbers, na-discuss na to sa atin ni Rec nung number theory, pero ipapaalala ko na lang ulit. So, to solve the sum of the consecutive natural numbers, the consecutive natural numbers, of course, yung 1 plus mag-start siya sa 1, 2, 3 until n term, 'di ba? So, yan 'yon. First equation, and then mag-a-add ulit tayo ng second equation na same lang din nun. Ni-reverse lang kung mapapansin niyo. So, n plus n minus 1, ni-reverse lang yung unang equation. We'll just add the two equations. So, magka-come up na tayo ng 2s. So, 1 plus n is n plus 1. 2 plus n minus 1 is n plus 1. 3 plus n minus 2 is n plus 1 also. n minus 2 plus 3 is n plus 1. So, simplify natin yung n plus 1, n plus 1, n plus 1. We will have n times n plus 1. Diba? 2s is equal to n times n plus 1. So, divide both side by 2. We will have now the formula n multiply by n plus 1 over 2. So, ito yung formula, diba? Pag kino-compute natin yung consecutive natural numbers. Nakita na natin kung ano yung pwede natin gamiting formula kapag kino-compute natin yung sum ng consecutive natural numbers. Pero, should we also include 0 sa solution. 0 as 10th packet, 0 amount of dollar. So, kasama ba siya sa solution? 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. Of course, we should include 0 kasi 0 amount of dollar is still amount. The question is, the condition is, every packet has a different amount of dollar. 0 amount of dollar is still amount. Kaya dapat naka-include siya sa solution. So, magiging 0 plus 1 plus 2 until 9. So, let's go back to the original problem. Step 4 on Poyo's 4th step. In the condition that each packet must have different amount, we now know that it won't be possible to arrange $44 in 10 packets. If we look at the problem, 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 is equal to 45. So, kasama yung 0 sa solution kasi 0 yung 10th packet. 0 amount ng dollar. Diba? We see that 9 represents, ano ba yung nire-represent nung 9 doon? Yung nasa dulo, last digit. Represents the packets less 1. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng packets less 1? Considering n as number of packets and 0 as possible solution, we have 0 plus 1 plus 2 until n minus 1. So, bakit siya n minus 1? So, kaya tayo nagla-less 1 or nagma-minus ng 1 kasi yung 1 na yun yung last packet which is walang kargang dollar. 0 amount siya ng dollar. So, let's check. The minimum amount that we can put in n packets so that no two packets contain the same number of dollar, considering 0 as possible solution, is n multiplied to n minus 1 over 2. So, let's check. So, what is n? N is the number of packets. 10 multiplied to 10 minus 1 all over 2 is 10 times 9 over 2, 90 over 2, divide by 2 is equal to $45. So, $45 yung minimum amount na pwede mong ikarga doon sa 10 packets, considering 0 as possible solution. Mag-start siya sa 0. So, for example, yung first packet, wala mo ng karga, 0 amount. And then, the second packet, may $1. Third packet, $2 until the last packet. If we don't consider 0 as viable solution, the problem becomes, syempre, wala na yung 0. So, puro natural numbers na lang siya. So, yun nga, yung pinakita kong formula kanina, yun na yung gagamitin. Still, $45 pa rin naman ang minimum amount na pwede mong mai-distribute dun sa 9 different packets. So, second problem, what is the minimum amount of dollars that we can put in 5 packets so that no 2 packets contain the same number of dollars? So, ang problem niya naman is, sa 5 packets daw, ilan daw yung minimum amount? In condition na walang magkaparehong amount ang nasa loob ng packet. So, yun nga, same lang din. Pero dito, nilimit niya naman sa 5 packets. Okay, so n is 5. So, substitute na lang natin yung 5 sa n. 5 minus 1 times 5 over 2. 4 times 5 over 2 is 20 over 2. 10 packets. The minimum amount that you can put in 5 packets is bakit 10 packets? $10 bills, sorry. $10 bills pala yun. Is it possible to put, so eto naman, for you to answer, is it possible to put $50 in a packet? So, $50 in packet so that each packet contains a different amount of money? How many packets do we need? Oh, ilang packets? yung kailangan natin para ma-distribute yung $50 into different amount. That's all. Thank you. Hope you understand.